Hi, I'm Alexis Bennett, and today I'm finally going to learn how to do the 2018 version of the cat eye. It's kind of just a new take on an old trick.
Yeah.
I have Ana Marie Rizzieri here. She's going to show us how to get that look, so I'm so excited.
2018 modern eye. You ready?
Yes.
First, we're going to prep your eyelid by just using a fluffy brush. I know you have about 50 million of these. And it's got a little loose powder on there, translucent, no color. Take this all over across your whole eyelid. Okay, and what this is going to do is this is just going to help your eyeliner not going into your creases and not moving on you. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to take a normal black pencil and just make sure it has a nice glide to it, because you don't want anything too harsh, and make sure it's sharpened. And then you're just going to take it close to your lash line, and you're just going to draw that line.
I feel like sometimes my hand shakes. Do you have like any tips for keeping
sometimes
it?
mine does too. You know, when you feel like you are being a little shaky, kind of, if you can, you're holding your wrist with your other hand, almost like a tripod. Does that make sense? So if you open your eyes, for me, I'm just going to take this black pencil and just go very thin underneath your lash line. And you know, here's the thing, while you're doing this, you don't have to worry about it being too perfect, okay? Because you just want to get your shape in there, just so you know kind of where you're going. And then we're going to do this just in the lash line.
Okay.
Okay, and this is great because this is just going to intensify the eye and give it the extra drama.
Are you going to smudge it underneath, or is this like clean?
It's going to be a little bit more cleaner.
Okay,
good point. It's not going to be too smudgy.
Okay.
It's going to be a little, it's going to be smoky, but it's keeping it thin.
Right.
Okay, and then we're just going to close your eyes, and we're just going to go over that black pencil I did. And again, it's just going to be a little bit more drama. Oh my God, that looks amazing.
Yes.
So it's just a little bit more. Don't be safe.
It's 2018.
That's right, don't be safe with the liner. And open.
So you're doing 2 layers?
Yes, and so think of it, you do your first line and then you're going to go over it and do a second line.
Okay.
So it's kind of 2 lines together. And then here's where everybody says, oh, well, what happens if I go down too low, too up? Again, you're going to get a cleanup brush or a Q-tip, and you're just going to use a little bit of cleanser. Right where my little line is of my own natural eye, you're just going to go right up.
Okay.
So that's the whole thing with the 2018 cat eye.
Okay.
It's your liner on the top, and then your thin liner on the bottom, and then really giving the drama to your corners.
Oh my gosh, I love it, and these tips were really helpful. I feel like I can definitely do this at home.
And it looks hot.
Yes.
You look
I'm
gorgeous.
going out tonight.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Alrighty.
Yes.